Best 3D printers. As 3D printing continues to revolutionize creativity and manufacturing, the demand for the best 3D printers has surged among hobbyists, professionals, and small businesses alike. Consumers now look for machines that combine precision, speed, and durability without sacrificing ease of use. In this guide, we evaluate models based on their print quality, build design, ease of setup, material compatibility, and overall value to help you find the perfect 3D printer for your projects.
Product number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer, fully open source with resume printing function, DIY printers. The Creality Ender 3 remains one of the most iconic and affordable entry-level 3D printers on the market. Its fully open-source design allows users to customize and upgrade components easily, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a resume printing function, it can recover from power outages without losing progress, an essential feature for long prints. The sturdy metal frame ensures consistent performance, while the V-slot linear pulley system minimizes noise and improves precision. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, it offers enough space for most projects. Though some assembly is required, setup is straightforward thanks to comprehensive instructions and an active online community. For users seeking a budget-friendly, modifiable, and reliable printer, the Ender 3 delivers exceptional value and longevity.
Product number 2. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. A1 Mini 3D Printer and AMS Lite support multicolor 3D printing. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo redefines compact 3D printing by pairing the A1 Mini printer with the AMS Lite system, allowing for multicolor printing with stunning accuracy. Designed for convenience, it features automatic bed leveling, high-speed printing, and a fully enclosed chamber that maintains temperature stability for consistent results. The AMS Lite enables up to 4 different filaments, ideal for intricate color transitions and creative projects. Despite its small footprint, it boasts impressive performance and whisper-quiet operation. The intuitive touchscreen interface and smart software integration make it accessible even for beginners. This model's combination of advanced features, multicolor capability, and effortless operation make it a standout for anyone wanting professional-grade prints at home.
Product number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer with one-click auto printing system. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro simplifies 3D printing with its innovative one-click auto printing system, ideal for users who value convenience and precision. Featuring a fully enclosed design, it ensures safer operation and stable temperature control for high-quality prints across various materials like PLA, PETG, and ABS. The dual air filtration system minimizes odors and particulates, perfect for indoor use. With print speed up to 600 millimeters per second and automatic leveling, setup and maintenance are nearly effortless. The built-in HD camera allows real-time monitoring via Wi-Fi, adding to its user-friendly appeal. Combining speed, safety, and ease of use, the Adventurer 5M Pro is an excellent choice for educators, families, or makers seeking professional results without a steep learning curve. Product number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. Support multicolor 3D printing. Compact yet powerful, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer brings professional-level performance to desktop users. It supports multicolor printing when paired with the AMS Lite system, providing creative flexibility for design and art projects. The printer's auto bed leveling, vibration compensation, and advanced cooling system ensure accurate and smooth prints every time. Known for its quiet operation and quick setup, the A1 Mini offers plug-and-play functionality that even beginners will appreciate. Its smart software integrates seamlessly with Bambu Studio, allowing easy remote control and slicing. Despite its small size, the A1 Mini delivers exceptional speed, accuracy, and print quality, making it one of the best compact 3D printers for hobbyists and professionals alike.
Product number 5. FlashForge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer with fully auto leveling. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M combines reliability and performance in a sleek, user-friendly package. Its fully automatic leveling system eliminates manual calibration, ensuring consistent print quality from start to finish. With a fast heating nozzle that reaches 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds and a large build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, it's versatile enough for various project types. The printer also supports multiple filament types and features quick-release nozzles for easy maintenance. Thanks to its quiet operation and intuitive touchscreen controls, it's perfect for classrooms, workshops, or home maker spaces. Offering impressive speed, precision, and minimal setup, the Adventurer 5M is a reliable pick for anyone seeking a durable and efficient 3D printer that balances performance with value.